Squishies, it's Harmony and welcome back to my channel. So today we got an amazing package from Banggood.com and I will link all the items down below, so make sure you go check out the description box. So here's what they sent us, so I'm just going to take them out one by one and show you what they sent us. Okay, so the first item is this Aridi Fox Squishy. It's really cute. I think it's like a baby in a fox onesie. And then it's got the Aridi. And it's really cute. Packaging's really cute. So this one's the yellow one. There's also a pink one, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, there's the pink one and then the yellow one. So let's take it out. It's so soft and it has like a cute little Valentine's heart. This would be perfect for Valentine's. It's got like the little hair right there. Really cute. Oh my gosh, it smells citrusy. And it's really metallic, like so pretty. And it's very slow rising and the licensing is right here. So next is this cute unicorn cake squishy. And this is the reproduced version of the real one. It is pretty similar to the real one, which is right here. Just to show you guys, here's the comparison. The color is kind of different and this one is much bigger, but it's still like the same squishy. So let's open it. Oh, it is super cute and pretty. Okay, let's give it a squish. It's really slow rising too. I really like the cute blush. It's got the unicorn horn. So next is this Giggle Bread cat and it's super adorable. And I really love the rainbow colors on it. It's super cute and it's holding a really cool looking heart. It's like a galaxy. And here's the bag. It's got Cupid right there. Okay, open this. Oh my goodness, look how adorable this is. It's got the little tail. It's super cute. And it's sort of like a normal squishy. Alright, so the next item is this cat hamburger. And it looks like two cats squished together. And then there's a little pickle on top with a face. So here's how squishy it is in the bag. It's got like the lettuce, and then this is like the meat, and this is the mayonnaise and the mustard, and then the pickle on top. Okay, so let me open it up. And so the packaging is really cute. It's got like these cute little designs on it. Back. Okay, so let's open it up. It is really soft. Oh my gosh. I really like the little pickle on top. It's just sitting there chilling. And then like this cat's face, it looks so squished. Alright, so the next item is this Giggle gift bread. It's got the cute little panda there and the ice cream cone. So here's the gift box. Reminds me of Christmas because you get presents on Christmas. Okay. Oh my goodness, look at how cute this is. Oh my gosh. Pretty slow rising. It's got the cute little bow on top. It's like a turquoise color. And then it's got the really pretty pink. And it's got cute little stars. Oh, it kind of smells like a flower. So next we have this Lele Huang puppy dog, and it's really cute because it's like in a cinnamon roll. And look how cute the bag is. It's got like the little puppies. Super cute. It's got like those slices of fruits. And then on the back, it's got like a cherry. It's really cute. So let's open it up. Oh my gosh, it is so cute. It's like got the mistletoes on top with this like cream right here. It's got like this cute little dog. And then on the back, it's got like perfect swirl with some cute fruits. Like fruit slices, and it's so adorable. Oh, it smells like a really light strawberry candy. Like it smells really strawberry. It smells really good. So the next items are these really cute slices of cake, and you can see like the strawberry in it, and it's got a strawberry on top. It is super adorable, and they like go together. So this one is an orange one, as you can see. It is so rising. And then it's got like some pink stripes on top. And then this is the blue one. It's really cute, and this one is actually more so rising than this one. But it is so cute, like they are so adorable. And they actually smell kind of like the coconut, like smell like coconut lotion. Okay, so the next item is this super small and adorable strawberry cake. It is so small. It is like the size of my palm. It is so cute, and it's got like the cute strawberries on top. And I really like the detail on the cake. Okay, so let's take it out. It is really soft on the bottom, and I really love the texture. It just feels like an actual cake. And it's got the cute little swirl top cream, and I really love the strawberries again. And it doesn't really smell like anything. So the last item, we have these beautiful bouquet of flowers, and it is so cool. I really love the delicate wrapping on it. It just makes it look so fancy. And then we got the really cute ribbon. It is so cute. And I really love the flowers and the texture, and I love how they are just different colors. And they look like roses. Oh my god. They actually smell like flowers. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. It is so cute. And on the actual squishy, it has a bow. So that is really cute. And it is really metallic. It is so pretty. So guys, that is it for this video, and Mochi wanted to say hi to you guys. Say hi, Mochi. She just woke up. So guys, thank you Banggood so much for sending us these squishies. Please like, subscribe, and comment down below what you guys want to do in the next video. Bye.